February 23rd, 2026. The blizzard of 2026. Look at the amount of snowfall we had here at the front door. February 23rd, 2026. Blizzard of 2026. Southeast Pennsylvania. A tremendous amount of snow has fallen and continues to fall. 16 inches of snow so far. You can see that the snowplows have not been able to keep up to any extent. We will continue to monitor the situation. You can see the tremendous amount of snow here has accumulated and of course continues to accumulate. Accumulating with accumulation. Blizzard of 2026, blizzard. Polar vortex has again made its return, has struck again. The blizzard of 2026. We are trying to determine exactly what is going on here with this type of snow accumulation and the wind. This could only be the polar vortex. Snowman, snowblind, snowglide, snowboard, snowmen, snowball. Try to take a look here at the amount of snow accumulated on the rooftop. It's a ridiculous amount of snow, and of course this is the air conditioning unit. Here you can see buried. Now of course some of this is due to snow drifting. I realize that there's 30-mile-an-hour winds out here, but it's a tremendous amount of snow. 16 inches so far. So 7 a.m. February 23rd, 2026. We will continue to send updates as the polar vortex has clearly returned and has dumped a tremendous amount of snow and accumulation across the region. Again, we're looking here, we're very concerned about the roof here. This probably 2 to 3 feet of snow on the top of that rooftop. This is I've never seen this before. Snow continues to fall. We will continue to send updates again. 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Southeast Pennsylvania polar vortex blizzard of 2026.